we'll have several for supply chain, several for logistics, for air parts manufacturers. How do you see the future? Let's just say 5 years from now, 10 years from now. What do you think we should expect to see?
We're going to see competition, right? So there's a lot of room now for innovation, and token purchasers and companies give out a lot of resources to try out new things, a lot of speculation too. So this is kind of where we are now, and it enables a lot of entrepreneurs to build a lot of new systems, but as we progress, we'll see more and more competition, and the best systems, the best alliances, the best networks, the best technology will win.